Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to explain you the battery drainage issue, overnight battery drainage issue. I have received many complaints that the battery is draining in the night itself. 2, 3, 4%, 5% is okay, but more than 10%, 15%, if the battery is draining in the night itself, then it is a problem and you need to do some settings. So in this video I am going to explain that settings very thoroughly, very neatly, and in very short time. So not wasting much of your time. Guys, if you are new to this channel, I request you kindly subscribe this channel. So now just coming to the topic, first thing you need to do when you are going to bed, at that time if you are facing overnight battery drainage issue, then what you need to do, just go and first and basic thing is switch off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Both needs to be switched off because many apps that are running in the background are consuming more battery in the night itself while so the first thing we will do is switch off Wi-Fi and mobile data while going to the bed. Now the second thing, just you go to the setting and go to the display. Here you will see the dark mode setting. We will go to the dark mode setting and we will turn it on, and we will either let it be sunset to sunrise, or we can custom schedule it, that is the time from any time. You can say, suppose you are going to bed at 10:30, then you made it 10:30 to 7 next day. Now the dark mode will be activated from that time to that time. So this, in the dark mode, the phone is consuming very less battery with respect to the white mode, which is active at the present. So this is the second setting. For the third, you have to just go to display itself, and in that display you go to the eye comfort shield. It needs to be turned on, and then you can set schedule sunset to sunrise or custom you can set, and you can also select this also. So this is the second the third thing I wanted to tell you. Now go back and then you come to battery and device care. In this this should be optimized. If optimized is coming with in the place of grade, first you optimize it and then go to the battery. In battery, power saving mode must be on. It should be on. Note down guys, it should be on. And then go to the below. In some mobile there is wireless phone wireless power sharing is also an option that is coming here. That should be off, and go to the more battery settings, and here you will see adaptive battery. This should be on. Extended battery life based on your phone uses. This adaptive battery usage should be on. So this is next setting. And now then again go to the battery and device care. Then here tap on the three dots and you will come to the automation. Here auto optimize daily, it should be on, and this phone will be optimized if your screen is off and your phone is not in use. So better we can set the time of our desire, and that here 3 AM is set. I am leaving that. And auto restart at set time. The phone will auto restart at set times. You should also set it suppose 6, and you can also set the time. So at 4 AM the phone will automatically restart on the selected days. This should also be turned on. And the most important thing at the setting, adaptive power saving. This setting must be turned on. Turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage pattern. This setting automatically turns power saving on and off. So this must be on. Believe guys, after doing these 6-7 settings, you will feel a noticeable difference in the battery drainage issue, overnight battery drainage issue. If you like this video, if you have benefited from this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please share this video on social platform, and so that your friends also may get benefited. Thank you very much guys.